We all know about YouTube already. But you know what? YouTube can bring in lot of visitors to your business. This is what I'm going to teach you in this course. So why YouTube? YouTube has millions of visitors each day. It is the best effective free method of marketing if you utilize it correctly. YouTube is actually owned by Google, and Google will highly rank your YouTube videos very easily if you do proper YouTube optimization and find keywords that has no competition. The next good thing about YouTube is a low cost, big audience media. You can gain more profit with little investment in YouTube. Your video will be available even after 10 years to targeted customers if you upload videos in YouTube. It also has the benefit of worldwide launch. You will have international audience with wider client base if you are into YouTube marketing. So with YouTube you can make good profit and it has a very big business potential. I just want to show you the importance of YouTube in this lecture. So that is all about the introduction to YouTube. Let's get into the real part.